iPhone 13 Pro matte black color cover. 2-ply construction, protective film included, supports wireless charging, US military mil standard certified. Soft TPU case with double-layer hard polycarbonate parts for extra protection. Spatial audio and dynamic head tracking that surrounds the audience with sound. Easily share audio for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and Apple TV, with 2 pairs of AirPods. Adaptive equalization that automatically adjusts to the shape of your ear. Brand new design, to fit your ears. Pressure-sensitive sensor for easy control such as playback, pause, fast forward and answer and end calls. Special offer is sweat and water resistant. If you want you can use it under the water also, up to 6 hours playing time on a single charge. Alpha's innovative dual-chamber driver reduces distortion and creates crisp audio playback. Frequency response 13 to 27,000 Hz. Dual chambers isolate bass and mid-highs for clear, smooth and optimized sound. Removable noise, removable cloth and wrapped cable. Aluminum frame with excellent durability and reliability. The Cloud headset is HyperX's award-winning comfort with over-the-ear memory, leatherette cups and headbands that do not squeeze directly on your ears. The Cloud Alpha aluminum frame is built to meet the player's demand and provide comfort for long games. It also features a removable cloth wound cable and a Discord and TeamSpeak certified noise-canceling microphone. Inline audio control supports multi-platform, can be used on platforms with 3.5mm ports, such as PC, PS4, Xbox One, etc. Gamers can enjoy games on any device with the latest sound of Cloud Alpha. MagSafe charging adjustable stand. Adjust the charging stand to the best angle for you. Your smartphone closer to the eye level and comfortable to use. The built-in powerful magnet ensures that your smartphone stays in place even when vibrated. The 360 degrees rotating magnetic ring makes it quick and easy to rotate from portrait to landscape. Sakura Apple iPhone case. Wireless charging. Visible from the gap of the design. High impact protection, confirmed for compatibility with the same manufacturer. This case is shock resistant and has passed the test of MIL STD810H, standard according to the US Department of Defense regulation. The back of the case is designed to look 3D, using special technology. The color of the product is see-through, so you can enjoy pairing it with the design. Thank you for watching. Check the link. Subscribe, share, like and comment below.